What if I told you that right now, with just a laptop and a few free AI tools, you could make your first $1,000 online, without any experience, without showing your face, and without spending years building an audience? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Step by step. No fluff, no theory. Just the real methods that are actually working in 2026. Let's get into it. Welcome back to AI Decoded, where we break down everything AI and tech in plain English. If you're new here, hit subscribe. We post every week. In our last video, we covered the 5 AI tools replacing jobs right now. Today we're flipping that around and showing you how to use those same tools to make real money. Let's go. Method number 1 is AI-powered freelancing, and this is the fastest way to make your first $1,000. Here's how it works. You go to Fiverr or Upwork and you offer services like blog writing, social media content, or video scripts. But instead of doing all the work yourself, you use AI tools like ElevenLabs for voiceovers and Copy.ai for writing to do the heavy lifting. You charge the client $50 to $150 per piece of content. The AI does 80% of the work in minutes. You keep the profit. People are making $500 to $2,000 a month doing exactly this as a side hustle. I'll link the tools I recommend in the description. Method number 2, and yes, this is exactly what this channel is doing, is faceless YouTube. You create videos on a topic you find interesting, use AI to write the scripts and generate the footage, and monetize through ads and affiliate links. You never have to show your face, or even record your own voice. The startup cost is almost zero. The key is picking a niche with high advertiser demand, like AI, finance, or tech, and posting consistently. Channels in these niches earn anywhere from $5 to $30 per 1,000 views in ad revenue alone. On top of that, every affiliate link in your description can earn you commissions while you sleep. Method 3 is selling AI-generated digital products. This is one of the most underrated ways to make money online right now. Here's the idea. You use AI tools like Midjourney to create digital art, templates, or design packs, and you sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. People are selling AI-generated wall art, Notion templates, Canva templates, and social media packs for $5 to $50 each. Once you create the product, it sells over and over with zero extra work. One good product can pay you for months. The startup cost is under $30. Method 4 is pure affiliate marketing powered by AI. You pick a product, like a VPN, an AI tool, or an online course, and you promote it using AI-generated content. This could be YouTube videos like this one, a blog, or even TikTok posts. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. NordVPN, for example, pays up to $100 per sale. AI writing tools pay 20 to 40% recurring commission, meaning every month that person stays subscribed, you keep getting paid. The math adds up fast. 10 sales at $30 recurring commission each is $300 every single month, automatically. So here's how you actually hit that first $1,000. In month 1, focus on freelancing. It's the fastest cash. Take on 3 to 5 clients using AI tools to deliver the work. That alone could get you $300 to $500. At the same time, start your faceless YouTube channel and post 2 videos a week. Add affiliate links from day 1. By month 2 and 3, your YouTube starts getting traction and your affiliate commissions start adding up. By month 3, combining freelancing, YouTube ad revenue, and affiliate commissions, $1,000 is very realistic. The people who fail are the ones who try one thing for 2 weeks and quit. The people who win are the ones who stay consistent for 90 days. There you have it. 4 real ways to make your first $1,000 online using AI tools in 2026. Pick one, start today, and stay consistent for 90 days. I promise the results will come. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description below. Most have free trials, so you can start with zero budget. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. Next week we're covering the top AI tools that are completely free and can replace $500 worth of software. See you then.